Welcome guys and welcome to Fusion 360 tutorial. I am Yogesh and today we are discussing about exercise 8. Before the discussing this exercise, let me tell you one thing. Please like and share to this channel or my channel. Today we are designing this model. It is very simple and easy to construct in Fusion 360. In this model we are using extrude cut, extrude feature and some hole type feature like a counterbore hole we are seeing in this model. Let's start from its drafting. Now I am taking the top plane for designing the triangle of 50 by 60. For that I am taking the line of 50 mm, which will be the construction line, and making the one half rectangle. Let's see. Like this, our rectangle has been completed. Now we are using the extrude feature to extrude this sketch up to 6 mm as per the diagram. As 6 mm shown in the diagram, the extrude feature has been conducted of 6 mm. Now we are using the fillet feature to fillet the edges. For that, we are giving the 5 mm fillet, 5 mm radius fillet. So let's start. And now I am selecting fillet from modify. Then selecting all three edges where I want to give the fillet. After that I am giving the dimension of 5 mm. Then OK. After that I want to make some 3 holes over this plane. So I am using the top face as a plane. Then for finding the 3 plane I am using the line command with the line top of the construction and selecting the 3 points or connecting that all 3 points like this. By connecting all the 3 lines, we get the 3 points which we used for the further holes. Now I'm using the hole feature from the create bar. We are giving or providing here the 6 mm hole. Just selecting all 3 points. Our hole is a simple hole. So I just provide the diameter of 6 mm. And our hole is a throughout hole. So it doesn't require the length like this. Now our hole has been completed. The one part of this design has been completed. For the next part, it means the inclined part, we are using this section view of the top. Let's draw this section view or the inclined view by using one plane which is parallel to the front plane. We are just use the front plane. XY is nothing but our front plane. I am sketching over it and making the whole sketch over here. Just I create one center line and the reference line and give them the angle of 40 degree. Then I am doing the offset to this line of 11 mm. As we see in the diagram, there are the two lines of 11 mm which are offset to our center line like this. Then I am constructing or coinciding this line with this point or reference point or the origin like here. And after that I am once again using the coincident feature. Just I make this first the second offset line and connect that line with a one perpendicular line which is perpendicular to our center line. And providing the length of 30 mm as shown in the figure. Like here the 30 mm is the length of this center axis toward the origin. Then I just create one circle of 18 mm radius, 18 mm diameter. Then just give the distance from the center is nothing but 20. Then I use the tangents constraint to tangent this line, tangent the both line, and use once again the coincident feature to coincident the line and the point. For another section, I am using one inclined line at angle of 108. There are also some offset line also of 3 mm, which I am seeing in the figure. Let's see how. Just I am making one offset line. They are showing some error that I want to delete that offset symbol. Now I can easily use the offset feature. Just offset about 3 mm like this. Then I am connecting the 3 mm line with the circle by use of the tangency. Just provide the angle of 108 and give some fillet of radius 3 mm. The all radius are of 3 mm. For making that line, I am using one straight line which connect both two offset lines like this and provide some dimensions from the origin like here. The distance here is a 17 mm as given in the figure, so I use the 17 mm here. Then I give two fillets of radius 3 mm. Values. Just I use the extend feature to extend that line up to the base point or the base. For closing this sketch, I am using the line and connect the 2 point, like from origin and that line. Now our sketch is closed. I trim the unrequired part here and this. Now our sketch is unconstrained. For to constraint, I hide the body part. Now can I easily see the body part? I'm making one circle of 9 mm radius, sorry, 8 mm radius, diameter 8 mm diameter. Now you can constrain as per your requirement or as per your idea. Like this, our diagram is constrained. Just finish the sketch and unhide the body. After that, I use the extrude feature. I want to extrude this part up to the 18 mm. Just go to the extrude and select the figure. And the direction will be the symmetric. And we are using the measurement here, the whole length. The distance will be the 18 mm. And the operation will be the join. And okay. Like this, our inclined part has created. The two things are remaining, that is the one hole and the second is the slot. For making hole, which is the counterbore hole, and its center is nothing but the center of that second sketch diagram. So I am using the sketch 3 and visible it. I want this point, so I create one plane over this section and then project that point. Create, project, and select the point which I want to project. Okay, like this. For providing those, I just unhide the sketch. So I hide the sketch and then create hole point. Our hole is the counterbore hole. The hole type is the counterbore. And then I want the upper diameter and the lower diameter. The upper diameter is a 15 and the lower diameter will be here the just distance of counter is 28 mm and the lower diameter is 6 mm, like this. The total length of this hole is not provided, just I extend this line over here, which I simply want my hole is a throughout hole. Like this, our hole has the create. The only one thing is remaining, slot. For that slot, I am using once again the sketch 3. Just double click on the sketch and we can use the sketch easily. I am providing the circle of 39 here. Just visible the sketch. Now I can use this circle for slot. The circle has been selected and we are providing the direction here, the symmetric. The measurement will be the all length, and the distance here is 3 mm, and the operation will our cut and then okay. Like this, our slot has been created. For the finishing, you can provide the fillet. I am providing the fillet here of 5 mm, like here, and okay, and here also the fillet of 2 mm, like this. For the rendering, you can give the some color or the paint. I'm using here the metallic paint. I'm giving the blue color here, like this. You can give any color as per your goal. Now our sketch is completed, and I hope you like this video. And once again, I request everyone to like and share this video to your friend. Thank you.